Deep in the heart of Africa's rainforests lies one of the most extraordinary wildlife experiences on Earth. Gorilla tracking. Imagine coming face to face with a mountain gorilla, an encounter so rare and intimate that it's bound to leave you speechless. Today, we are diving into everything that you need to know about the gorilla tracking experience in Uganda, Rwanda and Congo, the only destinations for this once-in-a-lifetime adventure. Mountain gorillas are found in only 3 countries in the world: Uganda, Rwanda and Congo. Each destination offers a unique trekking experience. In Uganda, which is home to the famous Bwindi Impenetrable Forest and Virunga National Park, Uganda is known for its affordable permits and diverse trekking options. Rwanda's Volcanoes National Park offers some of the easiest treks and luxurious lodges, perfect for those seeking comfort. Congo's Virunga National Park offers off-the-beaten-path adventures, and it's ideal for intrepid travelers looking for a more rugged experience.
When should we go?
The best time for gorilla trekking is during the dry season, from June to September and December to February. During these months, the trails are easier to navigate. However, even in the rainy season, the experience is magical, as the forests are lush and alive. Let's talk about the permits and the costs. A gorilla trekking permit is your golden ticket, and prices vary by country. In Uganda, a permit goes for $800 per person, $1,500 in Rwanda, and $400 in Congo, making it the most budget-friendly option. I know gorilla permits in Congo are very cheap. I would advise before you plan your trip to Congo to double-check with your embassy in Congo about the security of the country. Other than that, permits sell out very fast, so book in advance through the national park authorities or trusted tour operators. What to expect on a trek? Trekking begins early in the morning with a safety briefing. Groups are limited to 8 people, and treks can last anywhere from 1 to 6 hours, depending on the gorilla family's location. The hike can be challenging, with steep terrain and dense vegetation, but the reward is priceless. Once you find the gorillas, you will spend 1 hour with the gentle giants, observing them in their natural habitat. What do you need to pack? Packing the right gear is essential for a comfortable trek. Here is your checklist. We shall start with hiking boots, lightweight waterproof jackets, long-sleeved clothing for protection, gardening gloves to handle thorny vegetation, snacks, water, and a day pack. And don't forget your camera, but leave the flash off to avoid disturbing the gorillas. Safety and respect for gorillas is paramount. Always follow your guide's instructions. Keep a 7-meter distance from the gorillas, speak softly, and avoid sudden movements. If a gorilla approaches you, stay calm and follow the guide's lead. These rules not only protect the gorillas, but also to ensure your safety. Gorilla tracking is more than just an adventure. It's a critical part of conservation. Your tracking fees directly fund the protection of these endangered animals and support the local communities who live near the parks. Whether you choose Uganda, Rwanda or Congo, gorilla tracking is once in a lifetime journey into the wild. It's a chance to connect with nature, support conservation, and create memories that will stay with you forever. Are you ready for the adventure of your lifetime? Let us know in the comments where you would like to trek. Thank you for watching Roots and Roads. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more epic adventures across Africa. Roots and Roads.